Buzz in my blood, I don't even need a serum. Hometown kids, so you hear the city
Very
sharing.
exciting day. Grabbing my wallet because I have to go back to the ATM to grab some cash out because we've got our next purchase on our trading journey. Heading out to Glen Innes to pick it up. It's going to be awesome. Help us on our journey. So running a bit late as always. If that's any hint as to what it is, let's get into it, I'll tell you. Alright, so this trade is a bit more expensive than the $550 we got for the computer. So adding a bit in of a little bit of a top up. It's not too much, but I feel like this is a great opportunity that we kind of don't want to pass up on. I've been scouring like Marketplace and stuff for deals constantly, and there's nothing really great. So this one I think we should be pretty good. It's something that Daniel's got experience in anyway, and like it's something that's sought after, which is another main thing. So fingers crossed it should be good. It has a couple things that need doing to it, but they're nothing major, and like we know how to do them, so it should be good. $650 I got now. We're gonna get into Mission to the City, Glen Innes, and yeah, we shall reveal what we've bought on the next chapter in our trading series challenge. Okay, let's go. Oh, she hungry.
Bro, sweet and sour chicken and sushi, yes.
Cramped up. Oh, Gates is watching.
Really?
Fuck, turn around.
Luke.
Kid.
Daniel.
Daniel.
Nice to meet you. Cool.
Yeah, so it's just the back tire's flat, bro.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah. Apart from that, bro, it's mint as. Oh, and no front brakes. But here's the brake pads. Yeah.
Is it the actual caliper not working, or is it like...
No, everything works. It's just when we put the front tire back on, bro, the bloody yeah, the brake pads fell out.
Oh, right.
Is it for your kiddies or your?
Yeah, my boys.
Yeah.
But yeah, he doesn't ride it, bro. They just rather play games.
Oh, true. Inside boy.
Yeah, inside boys.
Do you have this fork guard as well, or no?
No,
No.
just all that.
Yeah. Okay. You're missing the fork, you're going to want to get the fork guard. And then probably a carby clean. And then front of the air filter. Do the front brake. That's all I can think about right now. It's not major, really. Oh, and the tyre, obviously. Just get a cheap fork, but $10. Yeah, that one, the back one, but no. So.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
650. Yeah, we'll take it.
Yeah.
Sweet. Get it going good.
Yeah, it still runs, man. Like once you pull, like after you've taken it for a ride and all that, it normally idles. But I think the throttle might need a little adjusting.
Sweet. You paid for it?
Yeah.
Alright, sweet.
Easy peasy. Thank you, bro.
Nah, all good.
Cool.
Have a good
Cheers,
one.
guys. Appreciate it.
Cheers, bye.
through the foot peg. Tight.
Alright, there we go. Bought a bike. I'm thankful that Daniel's here because I have never ridden a dirt bike and don't know what to look for. But it seems fine. Doesn't want to idle as much when it's cold, but it's a car. It seems a car. It's just a bit iffy. Needs an inner tube. Daniel's inner tube isn't going to fit, which is annoying, so we'll have to go cop another one of those. Front brakes. He has the pads. They just fell out. I don't know. We'll sort out that and the front shock guard thing. Get some new grips for it, which you're going to do anyway. So it's a little bit of a fixer-upper, but for the price, I reckon it's alright. $650. Had to drop an extra little hundy into it, but I think we should be able to get around $1,000 for them, and 125 is pretty popular. So yeah, we're going to mesh back to the shore, grab an inner tube, grab some oil, and maybe get into it today. I was hoping to go riding today, learn how to ride, but nevertheless, we'll get into it, and yeah, that's about it. Glad to get away from the electronics. This should be easier to flip and sell, and might do a couple more bikes, hopefully then get into a car. Yeah. It's King's birthday, Monday, so we need an inner tube. Daniel's one's a 10-inch, we need a 12-inch. Unfortunately it's a public holiday and all the cycle shops are closed, so we may not have this bad boy running today, but we'll still grab some oil and maybe sort out the brake if we can.
Guys, this is the new face of Team Hard Park. We've got the bike posted up in the back here. Ken doesn't know what he's talking about because all he knows is McGann.
Hey, you're the one that's going to fix it.
Magnag, yeah. My ass is going to be fixing it, so hopefully. Well, not hopefully, but...
Fucking inner tube, bro. Oh my god.
Yo, can't suss an inner tube today, but should be right.
Just run it with. Okay, me all kitted out. Alright, so the plan. It doesn't idle like mine, bro. Plan is we're gonna go to Louis. He's gotta fix his shock thing, and then we're gonna do an oil change, and we'll see what the tire situation might be like. So I haven't properly introduced it yet, but this is our trade that we've done. So technically the laptop we sold, bought this for an extra $100. It is a Forza 125 pit bike. So it's not a full-sized dirt bike, that's pretty much full-sized dirt bike. It's a bit smaller, but it's fine. Daniel's had 125s, so you go all good. So I'll be fine with it, like, there's no issues. It is the small wheel, which is a bit cringe. But we just need to sort of get it sorted out idling fine because it was killing out a bit, and then new tire. If we can't get the tire good today, I can just get another inner tube tomorrow when the shop's back open, and then there's just a bit, that shock guard's missing, so we'll grab that, give it an oil change anyway, and it should be pretty good to go. The cool thing about these is that they're worth around like $1,200 sort of thing. Even for sort of ones that are not in great nick, like I've seen a couple that need stuff doing sort of the same amount as this for like $1,000 anyway. So we'll get the oil change, that was fine, that was like $20. Sort out the car, the low idle, inner tube's like $10. Get some fairings, get some new grips, because the one's currently a bit rooted. And then yeah, we should be able to, fingers crossed, I mean you never know, we might even be able to like double our money on it, which would be awesome. But yeah, the rest of this video is going to be us probably attempting to do it up a little bit, and then if we get it going for a little bit of a rip. So yeah. Yeah. Look at us, true dirt bikers. Jesus Christ. Oh, me more so than you. I got the coolness.
Yeah, but I don't really care about my clothes getting dirty. Watch out, you cheeky bugger.
Very nice, very good. Let's get to fixing.
Yeah. See what I mean?
Let's choke on, let's choke on. Screw it in further for it to go high up.
Yeah, I see.
Where?
There, bro.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
Like, grab a little, there should be a little flathead floating around.
There you go. I knew it. I just told you in the car.
What? Chloe's gonna figure it out.
No, I said there'd just be a screw. And this bean's not printed in ages. Number one issue fixed. I thought it'd be some sort of like on a carb you can adjust like the airflow ratio and like the idle. Looks like a normal screw, which is a bit weird, but it's idling. It's just hanging a bit high, rev hanging, and then it's sort of creeping up. So trying to adjust it, and it dies. But we'll give it a clean anyway. Yeah, but so far that's pretty good. Give the carb a clean. Should be idling fine.
Oh, what the fuck? Chloe.
Extra filter in the filter.
The fuck?
Probably wouldn't run that.
No,
Yeah,
I
no.
wouldn't. Clogged. Pilot jet mean not running.
Clean. Thank fuck for Daniel and Louis because I wouldn't have a clue what to do. The mechanics are on the job, cleaning the carb. She'll be his ass missing in no time. What do you reckon?
Ah, that's fucked.
Cool. Great start. Oh, mate. Look at that, it's mint. How good. Took a bit to get the carb tuning good, but give it a bit of air, bit of clean. It's idling perfect. Whey! That tire's so flat.
No, this feels way better than Michael's.
I think we might wait till like tomorrow, grab the proper inner tube for it, so that at least we know it'll work. Because it's getting dark now anyway, so we won't have much time to give it a blat. But we'll get the right tire in, and then it'll be good.
Oh, yours feels way better than Michael's. See what I mean?
Keep squeezing the front brake to stop.
Yeah, no.
It feels like crispier than Michael's. Oh, he's ridden mopeds before. Go get it.
These are the brake pads. They fell. I would say they fell out. Weren't in, weren't tight something. So we'll see what's
feeling they
going on
just
with
sit
there.
Like, there's no pin. Yep.
But pump it up.
Yeah, keep pumping it. Hold it.
Yep.
If I just want to bleed it a little bit.
Since it's already like
Another
lit.
easy fix, how good. Just gonna bleed it because
Yeah.
it dropped a bit out, but it's clamping, which is the main thing. Just bleed it so we replace the fluid that we lost. But so far, idling fine, brake fine, tire will be fine. Mate, how good? I'm actually well chuffed there. Idling well, pulling fine, brakes mint now. We're just gonna try and get this stuff off. Look at that, good enough. Because it's a bit.
Green tea bag.
I don't know what relation it may or may not have, but it's definitely just like sharpied on. So we'll just get that off and we'll chuck a nice hard pipe sticker on it. Do an oil change, tire tomorrow.
Should we add the oil to Michael's oil?
Should be all good.
You've made that look so much worse.
Hang on. Right? Here we go. Just got buffed
Little
up, mate.
superstar here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck.
And they put it everywhere.
Shut up, Steve.
Why be a hater in the comments when you can be a hater in real life?
Yeah, fuck, bro. You prick. Oh, she's a bit like faded, but you know, overall, it's better than what it was.
Nah, it
so.
still looks like shit.
Oil change time.
And then you get Michael's oil, which came out of his super And then
Out of his what?
super
Like nothing was where it should be anyway. Tasty. Alright, we gotta light this up. Because how good! Look at that, mate. Oh my goodness.
Is it hard park because it doesn't move?
Oh, I reckon that looks mint as.
The question is, do you want
Fuck, that actually looks gangster.
just the standard brake? Is that still going?
I rate that. That looks so good. I'll check on the other side as well. Bye, bike. Till next time. Alright, we're gonna call the video there. I'm pretty stoked overall. $650 for that bike. Got the brake going, no problems. Idling like perfectly fine now, which is awesome as well. Oil change, which is sweet. The stuff that was in it was pretty black, so it'll be all good now. All we need to do is a new inner tube. Shame that we couldn't get one today because we would have had it done and dusted and finished, but it's alright. I'll grab one some other time. This weekend, planning on taking the 125 and then a couple of the other boys' bikes up to the farm to go for a hoot. So that will be in the next video, and I'll show off the little Forza a little bit, and then we'll probably get to listing it for a trade. It'd be cool if we could trade it for something else. That's kind of like the point, like trading, like Lou was saying, instead of selling it. But if worse comes to worse and like there's something good that like you want to get, but they don't want to trade, whatever, then selling. I think it's still fine because we're still working our way up regardless. Like I don't think it's cheating or anything, but it's alright. Super stoked with it anyway. Finally get away from the computer, which is massive because that was incredibly difficult to trade. So now that we've got something motorized, I feel like it'll be a lot easier to get up, and those Forzas should give us a good return, especially now it's running pretty mint. We'll get some new grips and stuff as well, just tidy it up a bit, but yeah, pretty excited. Good next stage in the challenge. So yeah, if you enjoyed, please consider liking and subscribing. Follow us on Instagram to keep up with the journey as well. If you are interested in the Forza already and want to trade it for something, let us know by all means. But yes, we will see you in the next video where we're having a bit more fun and I actually learn how to ride properly.